I was making over my sister's bedroom and she really needed a new headboard. The one she had just didn't work. I found this black shutter at a salvage shop and knew that I could use it as a headboard. It was a little too skinny, so I added 1 by 6-inch pine boards to either side and to each end. I glued and clamped them in place. Once the 1 by 6s were dry, I glued and nailed pieces of unpainted lattice to hide the joint between the shutter and the pine. I stained the boards with Minwax's Lip Switch Pine, which created a nice contrast between the black shutter and the pine boards. After the stain was dry, I sealed the entire headboard with a wax sealer. At the same salvage store, I found these ornate black corbels, which I cut to fit onto each of the ends of the headboard. I applied wood glue and attached them with screws from the back of the headboard. To finish it off, I added a 1 by 6-inch piece of pine to the top of the headboard, which rested on the corbels. This was glued and screwed into place. With the addition of all this wood, the headboard was heavy, so I decided to attach it directly to the wall. I used 2 French cleats. I measured the height of the mattress and then marked the wall where the headboard would be hung. Once the French cleats were on the wall and on the back of the headboard, it was easy to just hang it directly onto the wall. My sister loves her new headboard and the way that I upcycled those antique pieces of wood. I hope this inspires you to visit your local salvage and antique stores for a piece to make a one-of-a-kind treasure for your home. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching. To never miss a Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.